minister may be very well summoned as a member of the caucus, but no top management, no officials of an SOE should be required to go and report to the ANC caucus, more so when they are threatened of sabotaging the ANC's prospects in 2024.
SDP understands that the Eskom board may have been summoned to account to the ANC parliamentary caucus. We would be extremely concerned if this did happen or if it is planned, as Eskom is constitutionally accountable to Parliament through various committees, including SCOPA and the Public Enterprises Portfolio Committee.
We are all aware of some of the confessions made in the Zondo Commission by some of the officials of state-owned entities, including Eskom, implicated in corruption, looting and maladministration, that they've been attending ANC caucuses.
If there is need for Eskom to do a briefing of parliamentarians, then contact should be made with the head of committees so that all political parties can have representation in the Public Enterprises Committee when Eskom decides to make a briefing.
We will make sure that we hold the ANC to account for this and make sure that we get a proper explanation as a party that is represented in Parliament, but that also sits in the governance structures of Parliament.